Come test drive the 2020 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers a spacious interior, an abundance of technology, and safety features galore. When pairing all of this with a dynamic exterior, it's not surprising that everyone is talking about this vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, chrome wheels, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power moonroof. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.